Rick shows his blue all the time. He's got a truck that's Boise State colors. Everybody knows he's a Boise State fan.
People joke I'm the national brand ambassador. I've got about a 1,200-foot workout room, blue floor. It's got Boise State all over it. All the equipment is blue, orange. It's awesome. It's the Boise State workout facility.
It's a little weird. I've got to tell you, there's not many Boise State fans here in Middle Tennessee.
Our family was connected to Boise for years, actually to Idaho through salmon. So there's a little lake called Williams Lake up in Salmon, Idaho. And my parents would spend summertime vacations up there. And so we would always travel through Boise and get up to that area for the summer for a while. SERVPRO is a fire and water damage restoration company. It's a franchise organization. We provide basically at headquarters the brand, the operating system, how you run your business. Our purpose of our company is help entrepreneurs succeed. As I exited as CEO, I started a foundation, and now we're helping Christian ministers the same way, right? Help them with what they need help with to improve their church or their charitable ministry to do better. And so just adding value to people is what my mission and purpose is in my life. That's all we did with SERVPRO is how do we serve people? How do we add value to them so they could be successful in their business? And just continue to set priorities every year and just grew, right? There's no massive growth, but 57 years in a row, the company has grown positive system sales, and just a result of keeping your head down and focusing on priorities and, just building a great team.
You can see that Boise State really prepared Rick for his leadership roles. And that's not only leadership roles in a great company that he helped build a world-class company, but it's also in the way he serves his community.
The first thing I'd acknowledge is just, the power of good teachers. And I look back literally for 10 years, most of my business books I would reference, believe it or not, which sounds crazy, but you're focused on management by objective, teaching managers to set priorities and then work on the priority execution. So I just give tremendous credit to Boise State for providing that to me as I look back on it.
He's just a well-rounded person and somebody that I truly admire in so many different ways, and appreciative and honored that I get to spend so much time with him.
Receiving this Distinguished Alumni Award is a humbling experience. I'm just a passionate advocate for Boise State, sports, Boise as a city. It's just such a beautiful all-American city. The people at Boise State were great memories from my time there, some great friends from my time there. We're connected to it in many, many ways. So we love Boise and we love Boise State.